everyone, welcome to follow Fastener. I'm Angie. Today let's talk about how to use nail gun. Coil nails are generally used with nail gun. It brings more convenience to our life because of easy using with harmless. During the using, we need to control the air pressure according to the object's material and the nail's size. Start from the low pressure, progressive increment, and check the air pressure until it achieved satisfactory effects. Otherwise, the tool will explode. The required air pressure of nail gun should be maintained during the high-speed nailing process. If not, it cannot work continuously due to the under pressure. If it exceeds the standard working pressure, the buffer zone, head valve, seal, and conflict pin of the nail gun should be damaged. Therefore, the nail gun needs to be operated according to the wood material. If the texture of wood is hard, the best choice is to add the air pressure or choose a better entry point. For more content, please follow the next video.